Hello, Paul Hamilton here for iPad Monthly. We're going to take a look at 3D shapes. And so what we might do is look at Cubify, and you can see there that I've created um, a 3D shape that we can actually bring into another one of our favorite apps, Book Creator, maybe explain everything and so forth. But I'll just show you how we actually did it. So I'll just go back. So it's just a basic case. If I clear that and I actually just draw a square, and if I press make it 3D, you can see there that it's kind of made it 3D. Now I can, down the bottom I've got some tools. I can connect it if there's any little gaps. Then I can press thickness if I wanted to. I could actually fill it. And then I can kind of use the height, which is kind of what I did last time. You can see there that I've created a basic 3D shape. Now this is great for kids because I can start to look at the different angles. I can look at the vertices and the edges and the basically the faces of this shape, and I can manipulate it and have a look at it from different angles, which is pretty cool. So what we could do there is take a screenshot of that and then bring it into something like Explain Everything, for example. Let's create a new one here. Let's go with a blank. And if I actually bring that in, if I go to a new picture, sorry, not a new picture, if I go to an existing image, go to my camera roll, I can actually start to bring that in. I won't crop it at the moment. I could leave it there, and then I could start to actually pinpoint some different things. So I could start to look at the vertices, and I could start to look at the edges along there and so forth. I might take a pencil tool so you can see it a little bit better. So you can actually kind of identify different things, write some text, count, maybe create a little table that looks at the vertices, the edges, and the faces, and you can start to really manipulate it. So it's just a great way of looking and creating 3D shapes and then kind of taking a step further there. So Cubify, it's obviously limited in regard to what it can do with the kinds of shapes, but just to get the basis of looking at shapes from different angles and so forth, it's quite impressive in regard to just a really quick application that we can create 3D shapes and so forth in it. Hope you found that useful. Paul Hamilton here for iPad Monthly, signing off.